Alright class, today we're going to be learning about the importance of grinding and working hard and not being lazy in school. You know what I mean?
So working hard is all about putting your mind to things, giving things your all. You can't just be lazy in this world. You have to if you really want to get things, you have to work super hard to get them. Like me, here I am a teacher. You think I got this just by waking up? No, I had to work hard to get this. This took a long, long time to get. To this point. But that's with you. Like any dream you want, whether you want to be a footballer, basketballer, you want to be, whatever other professional, something so big. Hey, Max, that's Corona, man. Hey, got a pass. Disgusting, bro. Coffee. No, man. Max, that's nasty, bro. Can't be doing that, man. Hey, Max, that was dirty, bro, man. That was dirty, man. Coughed out everywhere as well.